Hey Nancy Ans, I came across your listing and I want to congratulate you for having such great ratings on your product. I know how competitive this category can be, but with that said, it's my job to point out potential opportunities to sellers that prioritize Amazon. And if you are okay with it, I'd like to show you some things that I have noticed. My name is Carmina Lario and I am with my Amazon guy. I am going to jump in and show you some potential strategies or some strategies that could definitely lead to increasing your sales and of course expand your overall brand awareness, skyrocket your revenue. And this is the tool that we are using to check on that. So you got actually 782 sponsored keywords and 504 organic keywords. Well, I can see that your keyword distribution can be better since we usually like to see 1:2 ratio of the PPC keywords to SEO, meaning one is sponsored to every two organic keywords. And we can still work on your sponsored keywords. We can still bank more on that. It's really great that you're advertising because it isn't sufficient to just be organically ranked just because Amazon has plastered all these ads. Of course, we want to have the same exposure on your product. And for your organic keywords, we can still grow and improve that since there are thousands of additional keywords that you may index for. Organic keywords can help you get seen on Amazon even without spending so much on ads. We just have to find relevant keywords with high impression that will index your product to more customers. So I sorted this data by the most research word that you may not be indexing for, but Amazon recommends that you do index for them. So here. So this is what I'm talking about. And on the other side, these spaces like this are the one that Amazon recommends that you do index for. As we scroll down, you will notice that you are further than page one on your organic ranking, meaning less chance of being seen on Amazon, less chance of having that kind of exposure we want to have for your product. So as I scroll up, I wanted to put this into perspective, and I would like to show you dog treats is the most popular search. 445,000 people is actually searching for that, and look at your ranking here. You are ranked 247. Though you got great ratings, as you can see, I want to give you an idea on how much this keyword earned from the last 30 days. So, dog treats. So, let's actually check how much this earned. Oh, great. Okay. Like what I mentioned, the keywords is dog treats, 445,000 people, and there is $15.9 million revenue just from the last 30 days. Now you gotta ask yourself, since there are 246 people ahead or competitor ahead of you. Now you gotta ask yourself: is 247 ranking sufficient enough for you to have a fair share on this $15.9 million revenue just for the last 30 days? There. So let me show you what we do on our phase three of our SEO process. I am going to apply 20 through 50 in here. And as you can see, there are 23 keywords that doesn't produce much for you. This is 20 to 50, but it's not really benefiting you. So there. Okay, you will see that here you are ranked. This is 20 to 50. As you can see, you are ranked 33, 47, 48, which we can lift you up to the top 10 ranking. Here with my Amazon guide, we can help your keyword distribution be better, advertising, grow your organic keywords with our SEO strategy. We optimize top listings to rank them higher and lift you up to the top 10 ranking. We can get you this helpful keyword export if you take a phone call with me. We focus on strike zone keyword here with my Amazon guide, phase 3 of SEO. Now, what creates conversion is actually the appearance of your listing. So, as you can see, this should be at least 200 characters because this holds an important role to your listing. Now, this is as important as your title, so make it at least 250 characters on each bullet. It's really going to push down your competitor on your listing, and this is going to help your organic indexing. The ideal is 6 images in a video, so add two more images in a video at least. Just make sure that the first three images is the best image of yours because Amazon has some updates where the second and the third image appears as your primary. Now let's check how you brand yourself. You're missing out something with your A plus content. Did you know that with just your A plus content, you can generate traffic on your SEO? I'll show you an example. This is Age of Sage by Stephen Pope, owner and founder of My Amazon Guy. And as you can see, there is 500 callable words in a copy. This is the one that I'm talking about that you're missing out on your A plus content, plus the 100 characters on each alt text in here. Plus, you can create your own brand story, talk about how you got started, what makes you so unique. This is another module to take up space. Your customers won't be clicking for a competitor on your listing. Here with my Amazon guy, we are a full service Amazon agency with over 300 employees and we manage 250 brands. We grow your sales, design this video, and much more. We grow traffic to the PPC and SEO, conversion rates to designing catalog merchandising. We give you peace of mind. We handle Amazon so you can focus on your business. And I'm hoping that you find this video valuable. We will love to chat with you further. Book a free consultation with us. We'll have an even more qualified Amazon expert discuss your Amazon needs. You'll be meeting with one of our account executive. I'll send you an email with a calendar to book with us. You just have to click the link. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to showing you more opportunities. Have a great day and be safe.